Welcome back to the Daily Drives channel, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels, from the latest cars and campers to electric revolutions and concept vehicles. If you love discovering the future of travel, road living, and automotive technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now, let's hit the road with Volvo's newest innovation of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. In a bold step blending Scandinavian design with smart mobility, Volvo has entered the luxury motorhome market with a vehicle that's as futuristic as it is practical. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a direct response to the growing demand for off-grid luxury travel, and it delivers in every way imaginable, whether you're a seasoned van lifer or someone just dreaming of life on the open road. This motorhome promises to reshape your expectations. At first glance, the Volvo Motorhome looks less like a traditional RV and more like a piece of modern architecture on wheels. The exterior design is unmistakably Volvo, with sharp yet elegant lines, a minimalist approach, and that iconic front grille seamlessly integrated into a sleek aerodynamic body, built on a custom all-electric platform derived from Volvo's heavy-duty truck segment. This motorhome doesn't just look green, it actually is. It runs entirely on electricity, powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, giving it the muscle to handle mountain passes and forest trails without breaking a sweat. Range anxiety? Not with this one. Thanks to a 200 kWh battery pack and regenerative braking system, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome boasts an impressive range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Plus, it supports ultra-fast charging, giving you up to 80% battery in under 45 minutes at compatible charging stations. For those preferring the boondocking lifestyle, Volvo offers an optional solar roof array and an extendable solar awning that can generate up to 15 kWh per dia, enough to keep the vehicle powered during extended stays off the grid. Inside, the motorhome is where Volvo's design truly shines. The Scandinavian philosophy of lagom, meaning not too much, not too little, but just right, is reflected throughout the cabin. Step inside and you're greeted with a smart open layout bathed in natural light. Thanks to panoramic windows and a retractable glass roof, the interior features sustainably sourced wood, soft recycled fabrics, and polished metal accents, creating an environment that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The living area features a modular design with multi-purpose furniture. The main lounge includes a convertible seating arrangement that transforms into a dining booth, work area, or entertainment zone. A 55-inch OLED display discreetly folds down from the ceiling and is equipped with a 7.1 surround sound system, integrated seamlessly into the walls. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or attending Zoom meetings from a remote lakefront, this space is designed to adapt. Moving into the kitchen, it's equipped with everything you'd expect in a modern home, and a few things you wouldn't. There's an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a smart refrigerator that monitors your groceries and suggests recipes based on what you have. The countertops are made from compressed bamboo fiber, durable, lightweight, and eco-friendly. Cabinets and drawers use soft close technology, and hidden storage compartments abound, maximizing space without sacrificing style. The bedroom offers a tranquil retreat with a full-size memory foam bed, adjustable ambient lighting, and temperature control. There's even an option for a ceiling-mounted starlight projector to give you the sensation of sleeping under the night sky. Storage space is cleverly integrated into the bed frame and walls, and the bed lifts to reveal additional compartments for larger items. The bathroom is compact yet functional, featuring a composting toilet, a rainfall shower with water-saving features, and a smart mirror that offers weather updates, calendar events, and even skincare tips if you sync it with your device. The water system includes a gray water recycling unit that filters and reuses water for non-drinking purposes, extending your off-grid autonomy. But the tech features are where this motorhome really sets itself apart. Volvo has incorporated its flagship safety and driver assist features into the 2026 motorhome. You get adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and even a fully autonomous driving mode for highway travel. It's like having a co-pilot who never gets tired. The vehicle can also self-park in tight camping spots using lidar and 360-degree cameras. All systems are controlled via a central infotainment hub or through your smartphone. Climate, lighting, battery status, solar input, water level, so it's all viewable at a glance. You can even control the layout with smart home-like automation. Want the bed down and lights dimmed before you step inside after a hike? Just tap your phone and it's ready when you are. For pet owners, there's even a dedicated space under the lounge bench with built-in ventilation and a soft bed. And yes, it has its own temperature control zone. Volvo's attention to detail extends even to the smallest members of your travel crew. Storage is also a highlight. There's a rear garage that can hold 2 e-bikes or compact motorbikes, complete with a built-in charging dock. Roof racks and underfloor compartments offer space for camping gear, kayaks, and more. The designers thought of just about everything to keep you prepared for any journey. As for customization, Volvo offers 3 trim levels: Essential, Premium, and Looks. The Essential offers a simpler setup perfect for minimalists or weekend warriors. Premium adds more tech, comfort features, and solar options. Looks, as the name suggests, is the full package: heated floors, suede finishes, massage seats, and the latest in smart technology. And for those who really want something unique, Volvo's custom build program lets you work with their design team to tailor everything from floor plan to materials. Volvo has also partnered with campgrounds and charging networks across Europe and North America, making it easier for motorhome owners to plan efficient routes and secure power wherever they roam. The company is also working on an app that combines trip planning, campground booking, and real-time vehicle diagnostics into one seamless platform. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It's designed for those who value sustainability, technology, and comfort in equal measure. In a world that's rediscovering the joy of slow travel, Volvo's offering is both timely and forward-thinking. Whether you're chasing the northern lights or just escaping the city for a few days, this motorhome offers a new definition of freedom. So, is it worth the hype? If early reviews and pre-orders are any indication, the answer seems to be yes. Volvo has managed to create a vehicle that doesn't compromise. It's smart, it's sustainable, and above all, it's beautifully livable. With the first units expected to hit the road in late 2025, the 2026 model year is shaping up to be a game-changer in the motorhome market. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow travel and tech enthusiasts. What do you think about this futuristic RV? Could you see yourself living or traveling in one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one, from concept reveals to test drives and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe travels and keep chasing the horizon.